Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.